What's up, guys? Welcome to Promotech. Thanks for tuning in. Really glad you're here for this one. Google just accidentally revealed the most talked about Pixel 11 feature at their own developer conference. And the way it happened tells you everything about where hardware is heading in 2026. This isn't just a cosmetic gimmick. The Pixel Glow feature is a hardware communication system that could quietly reshape how every smartphone maker thinks about physical notification design for the next generation of devices. Let's dive right into the video. So let's start with what actually happened at Google I/O, because the story behind the reveal is just as interesting as the feature itself. Google didn't formally announce the Pixel 11. They just couldn't help themselves. Someone appeared on stage with what was clearly a Pixel 11 Pro in hand, and right there around the camera housing was a visible glowing light. The Pixel Glow feature that leaks have been teasing for months. Google confirmed their biggest hardware secret, not through a keynote announcement, but through a background prop at a software conference. And that tells you something important. The feature is real. It's far enough along that it's appearing in daily use, and Google is clearly struggling to contain their own excitement about it. That kind of accidental leak only happens when a team genuinely believes in what they've built. Now here's the layer most people are missing entirely. The Pixel Glow isn't just a notification light revival. It's a structural redesign decision. Leaks show Google is removing the metal sidebar on the camera bar and replacing it with full glass encapsulation all the way around. That means the Glow isn't sitting on top of the hardware, it's integrated inside it. Compare that to Nothing Phone's Glyph interface, which sits on the back panel as a separate LED strip system. The Pixel approach embeds the light source within the camera module glass itself, which means the light distribution is more natural, more subtle, and far more premium feeling. Nothing went loud and flashy with Glyph. Google is going quiet and architectural. Two completely different philosophies targeting two completely different buyers. Quick one. If you're someone who follows Pixel and Android hardware closely and wants to keep all your device info and comparisons organized in one place, Walverse is genuinely worth checking out. Link is below. 2 minutes of your time. And real quick, over 70% of people watching this video right now are not subscribed. No pressure at all. But the people already in this community are the ones who caught the structural glass redesign story before it went mainstream, who understood why the metal sidebar removal actually matters. If that level of detail sounds like your kind of place, the subscribe button is sitting right there. The behind-the-scenes reason Google built this feature now is actually rooted in a problem every smartphone has quietly accepted as normal. You have no idea what's happening on your phone when it's face down on a table. You either pick it up constantly or you miss things. Notification banners on screen solve nothing when the screen is facing down. The Pixel Glow solves that with programmable colored light around the camera housing. Blue for messages, green for email, whatever you configure. Visible from across a room without touching the phone. Samsung has ignored this problem entirely. Apple has ignored it entirely. Google just decided to own it. And if the implementation lands well, this becomes a genuine daily utility feature that users will miss the moment they switch to any other phone. That is exactly the kind of ecosystem stickiness Google desperately needs right now. The timing also matters. Google I/O is an AI conference in 2026. Everything is Gemini. Everything is models. Everything is software. Hardware barely gets mentioned anymore. And yet the most talked about moment coming out of Google I/O this year is a glowing light around a camera. That should tell you something uncomfortable about where the AI conversation currently stands with regular consumers. People are fatigued by AI feature announcements. They want something they can see, touch, and immediately understand the value of. Google accidentally gave them exactly that, and it wasn't even planned. What I keep sitting with, and genuinely drop this in the comments, is whether the Pixel Glow ends up being the feature that finally gives Pixel phones a truly unique hardware identity, the way the iPhone has Face ID or Samsung has the S Pen. Because if Google makes this customizable, deeply integrated with Gemini AI notifications, and expands it across the Pixel 11 lineup, this stops being a cool party trick and starts being the reason people switch. And if that happens, Samsung and Apple have a very specific problem they've never had to solve before. Take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.